What's going on, everybody? Good morning from the Magic Kingdom. We are here today for a very special Disney cast member preview of the new Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin ride. The ride's been updated. They've got all kinds of new stuff. We haven't seen any of it yet. I've heard some things, I've read some stuff, but we haven't actually seen it. Thank you to Chris and Kathleen who have invited us out. We're going to go in, we're going to have a lot of fun, and we'll give you our review of it when we're done. So let's head on in. Alright gang, so as you can see, this is the line that you have to wait in first before you even go in. You have to check in. Our check-in is at 9:30 is our time, but we got to get here an hour beforehand, and now you know why. This is the line for the cast member preview. Once we get through this, we can head on over. Alright, we're in. We got checked in, now we got to get our wristbands. There's the wristbands right there. Let's get them. I got to get mine. Can I put it on my right hand? Does it got to go on the left? Gonna look at the band. Thank you very much. We're in! Yay! We got through with our wristbands. We're gonna head on back now to ride the Buzz ride. We're excited. They still have all the construction walls up, so we can't see the front entrance. But that's okay. We're getting ready to get on the ride. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, they have all the scrim up. But there's the line in there, and we're heading in. Can't wait to ride this. This is going to be fun. Gotta show my band. Gotta show my band.
Oh my gosh, sorry. Scared the crap out of me.
Event entrance, attraction entrance, and we're in line. Here we go, gang. That's going to be the sign. Still no sign yet, but they're getting close. All right, we're heading in. All right, that looks like what they had before. Oh, we're going to use the whole queue, so not much of a difference in the queue. The queue looks the same, but they are using the extended queue part. It's been so long since I've been over to this side, and I forgot what it was like. Here we go, gang. We're in line. Here it is. Look, we're in line. There's the new cars. They do look a little different. Anyway, we're in. Yes, all new cars. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, I guess that's supposed to be Space Mountain up there. Here we go. All right, gang, we're in. I don't know if we lower it or they lower it. Oh, look at that. That looks cool. Oh, look at that. There we go. All right, gang, here we go. I love that. That looks so cool. Oh, look at the new guy.
Okay, you take it from here. Time to make Zurg change his tune. Rock it and roll.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Let's see if we can get some scores now.
Everyone stay together.
Oh, that was cool. Oh, we got one. We got one, I think. 5,600. We're not doing very good, gang.
Laser focus.
I'm up to 10,000. Up to 17. That's not too bad.
We fear no foe. Whatever they are.
Wow, look at the scoring. The scoring is so different now. Up to 20. right, let's do the other side. Let's see if we can get some over here. All right, let's see if we can get Buzz over here. Hey, we got one.
Space Rangers, Tomorrowland.
I am a terrible aim.
Diabolical plot must be stopped.
48,000, gang, not too bad.
Attention Space Rangers. Your star cruisers have been temporarily deactivated.
Oh, Lord, we're deactivated. That's good news for us.
Your mission will resume momentarily.
Still don't have very many. This is fun. I love this. This is much better than the other one. There's our score. We're Astro Aviator, 97,000. Not great, but we'll take it. Woohoo! That was fun. It's definitely a lot better. I liked it. I thought it was great. I thought it was really cool, and we had a good time with it. It was fun. I love it in there. It was pretty cool for sure. Lots of fun. Oh, we can't go that way. I guess we gotta go this way? I don't know. I guess we're going this way. I don't know if we're going the wrong way or not, but we'll find out soon enough. What'd you think, Charlie? That was fun, right?
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard to review your rank. As always, to infinity and beyond.
All right, gang, so we just got done on the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, the updated ride with the new joystick, the new everything. It was pretty awesome. The ride itself, the track is the same. Pretty much the entire aesthetic of the ride is the same, but your points of where you hit, your targets are different now. They light up when you hit it. One gun is a red gun, one gun is a green gun, which is really neat. So if you have green, you'll have a green dot. If you have red, you'll have a red dot. The one thing is, it's a little bit harder to hit the target. You got to really get it on the bullseye to get the target this time. But I also thought that the ride vehicle itself was a little bit easier to control, and having the freedom with the gun to be able to move in different places was a big deal. Really enjoyed this a lot more than I liked the original. This is a lot better. Highly recommend it. Thank you again to Chris and Kathleen who let us come out on their cast member preview to experience this. It was wonderful. We enjoyed it. All right, gang. Thanks for being here. We appreciate you. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. It opens April 8th to everybody. I think it's the 8th or 9th, but it's going to be fun. Thanks, gang, for joining me. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. We'll talk to you soon.